Top 10 mind-blowing animal species discovered in 2025. 10. Tiny Andean mouse opossum, Marmosa chachapoya. A delicate, high-altitude marsupial with a long snout, found in Peru's remote cloud forests. 9. Aquamarine poison dart frog, Ranitomea aquamarina. Stunning turquoise frog with potent skin toxins discovered in the Amazon rainforest. 8. Bumpy snailfish. It's cute yet tough gelatinous deep-sea fish with textured skin adapted to crushing ocean pressures. 7. New Portuguese man-of-war, Physalia mikazuki. Poisonous siphonophore colony resembling a jellyfish, found in unexpected northern waters. 6. Flapjack octopus, Carnarvon flapjack. Adorable Dumbo-like octopus with ear-like fins from Western Australia's deep marine parks. 5. Atlantic manta ray, Mobula urae. Third known manta species with unique shoulder patches, confirmed gliding in Atlantic oceans. 4. Nugatar shark, elusive shark-ray hybrid discovered off Mozambique and Tanzania coasts. 3. Blob-headed fish. Truly bizarre river fish with an enormous swollen head of unknown function, from Peru's Alto Mayo. 2. Zombie worm, new Osedax species. Mouthless, bone-eating worms relying on bacteria found in the Southern Ocean. 1. Carnivorous death ball sponge, Chondrocladia spetran 1. Noverve, spherical meat-eating sponge that traps prey with hooks, a nightmare from the Antarctic deep sea. These 2025 discoveries prove Earth's oceans and forests are still full of jaw-dropping surprises.